Hi, this is Jayashi and welcome to a new episode of Samadhan where we bring you updates from several organizations from all across the India who are working for all kind of social causes and working towards social development. Starting from the Gold Heart Foundation of Chennai, this foundation has been doing their best to distribute 2,000 packets of freshly cooked meal every day to those homeless people who have been starving and severely affected by lockdown.
Since the lockdown started, each day their many volunteers are cooking meals, packing food and distributing them by maintaining necessary hygiene to the people who are living on the streets of Chennai without any support.
And by standing beside them, this foundation is on a mission to create a hunger-free community. In this lockdown situation, the life of so many people who work on daily wages like auto drivers and rickshaw drivers has been impacted heavily because of zero traveling taking place, and as a result they are facing a financial breakdown.
To ease their problem to a certain level, Making the Difference Foundation along with Parishram NGO distributed dry ration kits to Mumbai Rickshawala community. The event took place at Dahisar, Mumbai in presence of ex-cabinet minister of Maharashtra Kripa Shankar Singh. They expressed their thought by stating, "The ration kit distribution event filled us with all moments of satisfaction and prosperity."
We all know that how Cyclone Yash has affected the coastal area of West Bengal in between this pandemic situation, and unfortunately many people has lost their houses, shops, goods and so many things.
Society for Bright Future organization with their 6 volunteers reached to the people of Medinipur, West Bengal, and they visited 200 houses to help them out by distributing dry foods and other essentials. Not only that, even in Una, Gujarat, as a relief of Tauktai cyclone, they have repaired 200 houses with 600 cemented sheets. They are reaching every corner of India to help people in difficulties.
Next name in this list is Namma Mysore Foundation, who believes in not leaving any human being or animal behind in this tough situation.
So they took a great initiative by distributing healthy fresh vegetables to the people and also by feeding the street animals who are barely getting food in this lockdown period in Mysore. Many individuals and organizations also donated food, rice, fruits and whatever they could to motivate them with more good initiatives.
Now we are going to talk about another NGO named Sadai, who is providing mental health counseling sessions along with COVID relief drive in Delhi.
Affected by lockdown, many people lost their rosy roti, which led to financial and as well as mental breakdowns. Keeping that in mind, NGO Sadai started a session called It's Okay Not to Be Okay, where a group of 10 psychologists and counselors consult with the people for their mental well-being once every week. They started the session in June 2020 and till now they have provided over 100 successful sessions. The success of their initiative drew nationwide attention. Not only that, they even started menstrual hygiene awareness along with Project Shiksha to teach underprivileged children. They have also provided their helpline number to reach out to more people.
The last name, but not the least in this episode, is Al Kitab Foundation, who has started their 4th clinic offering OPD service to people in Aurangabad.
NGO is charging a sum of 30 to 40 rupees minimum to cover consultation fees as well as medicines prescribed in it. Besides, the NGO is working on several series of voluntary service which include skill development, study centers, employment counseling, clearing misconceptions about diseases and assisting in health department in carrying vaccination drive effectively. These works of NGOs have been widely appreciated by many doctors and organizations.
That is all for this episode of Samadhan. Hope you liked the video. Keep supporting and stay tuned. Thank you.